Trading.
Trading.
Trading's dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Dangerous.
It's dangerous stuff.
Don't do it.
Don't do it. Hello and welcome, traders. Okay, so you trade futures and you love Sierra Chart. And you probably use a broker like Iron Beam, Phillip Capital or AMP. Then you'll likely use CQG or similar services for your order routing. Good news, Teton is here. Well, it's actually around for a little bit, but it needed to undergo some beta testing of the brokers that were interested in offering it. Teton is an order routing service provided by Sierra Chart, and one of the good things is it's free. Your round-trip costs will be reduced by the routing fee. That means you save at least 20 cents and your round-trip cost for a micro-contract could be brought down to $1 or less depending on your broker. The other good thing is it's freaking fast. Apparently more than 10 times faster than CQG routing. So if you're a scalper, then it's probably worth it to you. It's super easy to set up as well. Sierra Chart will tell you to call your broker to set it up for you, but most brokers that offer Teton already provide an online solution for the switch. Let's do it for AMP, and I'll link this form in the description. In your AMP client portal, click Live Trading Setup Request under your Trade Desk menu. Then click New Live Trading Setup Request to get the form. Check or select your account and choose Existing Setup unless you just made an account with AMP, of course. And yes, you will still be able to use your Denali data, but the routing comes with this package. Your emails between Sierra Chart and AMP should match, and you'll have to enter your Sierra Chart username. If you don't remember that one, just open Sierra Chart and go to Help and About, and there you see it. There's some sort of special offer for getting lower margins, but I think that's at the cost of higher commissions, so I'll leave it unchecked and hit Submit. And there we go. It tells us that any old routing services will be disconnected for this account and switch to Teton. Just hit OK and wait for the email. Once you receive the text message or the email, you just open Sierra Chart, go to File, Data Trade Service Settings, then under the Main Settings tab, you choose Teton Order Routing and make sure your broker is set below, and you should be all set. For more details or questions to this topic, please check the links in the description or leave a comment below, and I will do my best to help you out. Trade safe and manage your risk.